Here I have ARCHOS Diamond Gamma, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera timer on this device. So first of all, you have to open camera, and here in camera you have this here in the upper bar some buttons, and this one button, this is button for the camera timer. Here you can select if you want to turn it on 3 seconds, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Let's try 3 and take a photo. And as you can see, it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.